Right now, as you're watching this, there is a major shift taking place in the internet marketing community. Thousands of forward thinking marketers all over the world are pulling their money out of all the popular traffic getting strategies they've depended on for so long, and now they're looking for smarter ways to generate higher converting traffic. Because let's face it, if you've ever bought traffic online, you know that most traffic sucks. It doesn't matter if it's safeless traffic, solo ad traffic, or even a very expensive pay per click ad. You simply don't know if you'll make a profit, right? The risk is on you most of the time, and even if it's not, it's unlikely you'll ever make a profit because you simply don't know if there's demand for your offers. Well, what if there was a way you could test drive your offers by using traffic that is systematically being twice confirmed and proven to convert over and over again? And what if every time you spent money on driving that traffic, you could literally guarantee a highly profitable return every time? And we're not talking about advanced strategies that only seasoned internet marketing veterans would know how to use. This would all be newbie friendly. That would be pretty incredible, right? But before we go any further, I need to acknowledge the fact that this sounds kind of crazy, and even a bit hypey, I know. If you're skeptical, I totally respect your caution, especially with so many false promises being made online these days. But as you'll see in the next few minutes, these seemingly preposterous ideas have been proven to be very real for myself and a small group of marketers, as we've been quietly perfecting a system that has generated hundreds of thousands of dollars by testing it all out on affiliate offers and some of our own products too. Hi, my name is Tyler, and I'm the founder of this system. As a longtime member of the online marketing community, actually since high school, I've been involved in several online and offline businesses. But I'll be honest, I've failed many times before I got focused and achieved success. And I can also tell you, these successes didn't come easy. It's taken more than 14 months and over $100,000 to get all the necessary pieces together. Sure, the market has been hungry for this kind of solution, and me and my team could have easily compromised on low-quality programmers and developers and churned out the next shiny object with lots of smoke and mirrors just to pacify the market and make a lot of money. Like so many others, I've been suckered by all kinds of magic bullets and fancy guru courses, only to find tons of holes in their nicely polished programs and lose out thousands in the process. We wanted to make sure that what we created wasn't just another product. The goal was to provide our internet marketing community with something in which everyone could find real sustainable value and would be able to change the whole traffic and conversion game forever. That's why we created our twice confirmed traffic patented traffic system. This system is 100% white hat, legal, and based on highly valued ethical standards. It doesn't matter if you have your own products or if you're an affiliate, it's specifically designed with the newbie in mind, which means it's totally user-friendly, so you don't need any technical skills to make it work. In fact, we've made it so simple that literally, if you can cut and paste, then you're sure to be profitable within a very short time. So you can focus all your effort on making a very comfortable profit without ever being held back by any technology or wasting time playing games. As a matter of fact, just recently, Brian Cooper, one of our members, a disabled vet, after coming home from serving overseas, he couldn't find work, and definitely not the computer savvy type, actually got started pretty easily. And during his first weekend, earned over $400 in affiliate commissions just promoting one product with twice confirmed traffic. Now, take a second and think about that. Seriously. Weeks from now, walking up to your computer and checking the stats on the products you're selling, or the affiliate offers you're promoting, only to notice that you have tripled your investment. Imagine feeling the assurance. Not because you think this could work for you, but actually knowing with confidence that the traffic you're getting are guaranteed customers which you can duplicate again and again. And the most amazing thing about it all is that you didn't really have much work to do in the process. Now, let's be honest. It's kind of a crazy thought, especially since the vast majority of our community will never make a real income. But if you're still watching this video, it's probably because you represent that shift going on in our community. Kind of like Terry Walker. A lot of his family and friends thought of him as pretty stubborn. In his first 3 months online, he quickly wasted over $2,000 in advertising. He couldn't get visitors to convert on his sites. But he stuck it out until he found something that delivered as promised. And now, in just a few months, he's averaging about $2,100 every month with twice confirmed traffic. Like Terry, you realize that in order for your business to truly grow and for our industry to evolve as a whole, we have to challenge the status quo. You have to be willing to question common assumptions. When people think there's no chance, you innovate. Let me ask you a question. What do Bill Gates, Warren Buffett and Larry Page have in common. They never, ever invest their money in something that is not guaranteed to give them a nice profit on their investment. They are masters at creating more wealth because they dare to ask the questions others don't think are possible to answer. So why would you invest your hard-earned money in traffic that's not guaranteed to convert? This is how the millionaire mind works. But you gotta realize, I didn't always think like this. I just assumed that there was no way I could get that kind of guarantee, so I never really challenged the notion. Until one day, after working together with my other marketing friends, helping each other find more ways to convert traffic to our sites, I formulated the idea for what now makes up the inner circle of the twice-confirmed traffic patented system. As we talked about already, with twice-confirmed traffic, you know that you're getting the highest converting traffic money can buy, literally. That's because we use our patented conversion feedback loop, which double-checks that the traffic you're buying from us is going to convert and, most importantly, make you money. But that's only the tip of the iceberg. With access to the twice-confirmed traffic inner circle, you don't have to figure things out on your own, because we've done that for you. You see, we created another no-brainer feature that enables you to use the traffic that has been tested and proven to convert for us for your own offers and anything else you want to promote. We call this the traffic shifter. And then, once you've confirmed that this traffic source is converting for you too, we then proceed to buy more traffic for you and for other members in our Inner Circle Traffic membership. We never buy traffic from the same source unless we're totally 100% sure that it will make you money. As you can see, you will not find anything like the twice-confirmed traffic patented system, with guaranteed results and ease of use, making it simple for any newbie because we've taken the guesswork out of everything. And that's what Alan Reed found. This guy was frugal, and he had to be. He had to see a profit the first month in order to pay his mortgage. And that's just what happened. And his wife was relieved not only to make the mortgage payment, but they both felt confident because they've now been able to stay afloat. Or like Carly Gilmore. Carly is a single mother of 3 girls, and her family cautiously loaned her some money to invest in her online ventures. But within 2 weeks after using twice-confirmed traffic, she was able to pay them back in full. And now she's about to put a down payment on a brand new minivan. This entire system has created income, wealth, and true freedom for me, my team, and those around us who have been testing and proving it over and over again. Until recently, we've kept this information to ourselves and a few select people. But because it's working flawlessly, we are now opening the doors to our patented traffic system. When you get access inside this system, you will see that there is no filler, no fluff, no bright, shiny objects. It is very basic in its structure, but like I mentioned, it was specifically designed with the newbie in mind, so it's simple and totally user-friendly. You don't need to be computer savvy whatsoever. But most importantly, it's simple to take action on, so you can start leveraging the twice-confirmed, high-converting traffic to generate income faster than you ever thought possible. And as an added bonus to the twice-confirmed traffic patented system, you will have access to an extra feature that can make your life a whole lot easier. For instance, what if you could see exactly what is converting right now for other members, and then just rinse and repeat? You really can't get any closer to making money online than this. We've designed this so that you don't have to waste time testing one offer after another, when you can simply view the confirmation-based stats to see exactly what is converting in our system for other members. The confirmation bay is where you notify the system that you've just made a sale and what the offer was that brought that sale. This lets others know what's making money for you and instantly reveals other campaigns that are making money for other members. You can actually double or even quadruple your profits overnight with this simple feature. Sure, you might be thinking, but what if I don't want to expose my campaigns to other members? Well, you don't have to. If you want to make money on your own, by all means. But sharing your campaigns with others is actually not going to lower your own sales, because we have massive traffic for you to use, and once it's twice confirmed, there's nothing to worry about. Now, if you were to search around for something even close to this kind of private information, you would have to waste your time trying to formulate the strategy behind the sea of information and data. And I can tell you firsthand, you can waste thousands of dollars using this method. Like I said, we have spent over $100,000 to get it to work like we really want it to. And that brings me to the price. But I'm going to level with you. A few select marketers who have used the twice-confirmed traffic system all said we should price this with high-ticket memberships from $997, $1,297, and $1,997. In fact, one of them said even $4,997. But we really wanted to make a big impact in the community by making a ridiculous offer to our potential customers. That way, it would be a no-brainer. So for a limited time, we're going to allow you to access all the unique and patented features of the Twice Confirmed traffic system for only $2 a day. That's $59.95 per month, and you can cancel your membership whenever you want with a single click. But hey, there is a catch. This is not for everybody. We are not looking for marketers who, 1, are going to abuse the system, 2, are not going to use our one-of-a-kind system ethically, 3, are going to give us false information about their conversions, 4, are not serious about making money online using the help of other brilliant marketers, 5, are looking to overload the system with useless links. Don't get this wrong, you are allowed to post as many links as you want into the traffic shifter to test your offers. You can post links to ClickBank offers, squeeze pages, landing pages, text sales pages, CPA offers, video sales letters. It really doesn't matter. As a VIP customer, you are not limited with the number of links that you can test, but we're definitely not looking for unethical marketers who are using all kinds of black hat tricks and techniques to make money. Although I must warn you, to keep this unique, special, and profitable for our members, we're going to limit the number of users that can access the Twice Confirmed traffic system. Once all the spots are gone, we're going to close the doors. That's it. You must understand that this is not a joke, and it's not a marketing game. As soon as we've reached our member limit, we will shut the doors until we're ready for the next batch, or maybe even forever. If you've been struggling as an affiliate for some time now, or even if you sell your own products online, you definitely need this. This is nothing like you've ever seen before. It's going to change everything for you very quickly. Chasing after traffic is a problem that most of us face at one stage or another. But when you have an endless flood of traffic, making money becomes so much easier. Especially when it's traffic that's been tested twice, once by our team and once by our customers. Stop using cold traffic today and start using our proven-to-convert traffic right now. Click on the order button below to get instant access, and we'll see you in the members area.